Cardano is showing a projected increase of 2.6% tomorrow based on coin price forecast. To begin, let's check the chart and see how things are shaping up. Cardano is currently seeing a 4.9% drop and is hovering near $0.2531. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. Traders Union thinks the asset may decline toward $0.249 tomorrow, with a potential drop of 1.7%. CoinDataFlow believes Cardano could move downward towards $0.2524, a potential drop near 0.4%. CoinCodex highlights it could edge upward to $0.257, marking a rise close to 1.4%. Another estimate from Coin Price Forecast shows Cardano may move up to 26 cents, a rise close to 2.6%. And last but not least, Gov Capital Collector targets $0.2721 by tomorrow, representing a rise of 7.4%. This forecast has the highest earning potential. We've covered the analysts. Let's see what's beyond. With all expert forecasts in, here's what it adds up to. The data from all analysts combined indicates the price could move within the range between a drop of 1.7% and a rise of 7.4%, depending on the analyst. As the data shows, Gov Capital Collector offers the top projected return with 7.4% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could pocket between $4 and $74 for every $1,000 you invest. When focusing on probabilities, CoinDataFlow has the strongest forecast, carrying a 91.4% chance of success. After aligning all forecasts, I've mapped out a clear consensus scenario. Consensus modeling shows Cardano trending upward by roughly 1.9%. So, let's check it out in detail. Consensus expectations highlight a 1.9% upward move in price under present conditions. Under those conditions, your capital may also show an increase of roughly 1.9%. A 1,000 example position could imply a possible $19 return. The consensus forecast carries a probability of roughly 83.5% of playing out. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. Traders Union anticipates Cardano heading south. Likewise, CoinDataFlow points to further downside potential. CoinCodex expects the chart to lean bullish over this horizon. Meanwhile, Coin Price Forecast projects an ascending trajectory for Cardano. An upward push is meanwhile signaled by Gov Capital Collector. Collectively, the forecasts suggest Cardano will remain balanced across this 3-day horizon. The combined analysis shows 60% of forecasts leaning bullish, indicating Cardano could trend upward. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's see how accurate they turned out. By the close, the price stood at $0.2548. Most predictions matched the actual trend. Best alignment with the actual price came from crypto predictions. Let's look at the results more closely. Yesterday's range included 3 forecasts. As for ROI, several analysts finished in profit, with CoinLore leading at 5.1%. Here's the fact-check summary. All performance data in one place. In comparison, Crypto Predictions was assigned a forecast probability of 53.9% inaccuracy and 5% ROI. Take a closer look and decide who was the most accurate. And now let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare across different cryptocurrencies based on consensus forecasts. Cardano takes third position among all forecasts, as Avalanche holds the strongest outlook with 3.3%. This segment compares Cardano with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison and full analyst performance data will soon be available on my website and Telegram. This story continues tomorrow. Hit subscribe to see what happens next. Have a nice one. See you tomorrow.